Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we're diving into a critical HVAC component, the MFD capacitor. If you've ever wondered what MFD means and why it's essential for your equipment, stay tuned for this quick 2-minute explainer. MFD stands for microfarad, a unit that measures a capacitor's ability to store electrical charge. In HVAC systems, MFD capacitors are crucial for single-phase induction motors found in air conditioners, spa pumps, or large fans. These capacitors generate a magnetic field to initiate motor startup and ensure smooth, efficient operation throughout use. There are two primary types: start capacitors and run capacitors. Start capacitors provide a powerful boost during motor startup, disengaging once the motor is running. Run capacitors, on the other hand, continuously adjust the current to optimize motor performance, torque, and energy efficiency. Capacitors typically range from 5 to 80 MFD. Start capacitors often exceed 70 MFD to handle the intense initial surge, while run capacitors usually fall between 3 and 70 MFD for consistent operation. The MFD rating indicates the capacitor's energy storage capacity. Higher MFD means greater storage. Choosing the correct MFD rating is vital. An improper rating can cause uneven magnetic fields, leading to overheating, energy loss, or even motor failure. A tolerance of 6% is acceptable, meaning a 50 MFD capacitor can range from 47.6 to 52.4 MFD. Using the wrong MFD reduces efficiency and risks equipment damage. For more in-depth information, visit our blog post, "What does MFD on a capacitor mean?" on our website. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more HVAC tips and tricks to keep your systems running smoothly. Need the right capacitor for your HVAC system? Visit PartsHnC for over 90,000 plus products from 480 plus brands with same-day shipping and the lowest prices guaranteed. Thanks for watching.